Rick's Animal Homes. Rick was playing outside with his toy animals. He looked at the toy lion and thought, where do real lions live? One day, Rick asked his mother, Mom, where do animals live? Mother replied, all animals have their own different places to live, just like we live in our houses. Birds live in nests, Mother said. They build them high up in the trees. Lions live in dens. She continued, it's their safe space where they can rest. And rabbits? Rick asked. Mother smiled. Rabbits live in burrows, underground homes. Horses have stables, Mother explained. It's like a big room where they can eat and sleep. Just like we live in our brick house, said Rick. It gives us shelter and saves us from the rain. Rick grinned. Now I know every animal has a special home, just like we do. Mother smiled. Yes, every home is special, just like you and me.